You certainly are hard to get rid of. I'll say that.
Toothless. Hey. It's me, bud. It's me. It's me. I'm right here, bud. Come back to me.
He's not yours anymore. He belongs to the Alpha. But please, oh great Dragon Master, try to take him. He will not miss a second time.
It wasn't your fault, bud. They made you do it. You'd never hurt him. You'd never hurt me.
How are you doing that?
Please, you are my best friend, bud. My best friend. Attaboy, that's it! I'm here!
Enough!
Yeah! Hang on! Almost there, buddy, almost there! We need to get those two apart. Gotta block them out, Toothless. Do you trust me, bud? We can do this. You and me. As one. That's it. Now let's try this one more time.
Take him down, babe!
Go get him.
Take control of it!
Shut it out, Toothless.
Stop them!
Now! Not again. Toothless! It's now or never! Come on, bud! Hold on! Yeah! We did it! Challenging the Alpha to protect you.
No! Fight back! Fight! Fight! What's the matter with you?
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Let this end now.
Never! Come on!
protects them all.